application. So I'm taking the floor to tell my floor plan where I am. So it's all about first telling where I am, and then I'm pointing the direction that I'm going. And the first step that I'm going to do is to take my scale. To after that allow the modeling of my floor plan. So I'm taking the scale. I'm using a doorway. So now I have the scale. So basically my plan will scale accordingly. The next step will be I'm going to show a wall where I tell the application that I'm starting new equipment. I'm going to the library of equipment. I'm picking up an antenna here, a small cell, 5G small cell. I'm going to place on the wall. Then I go back to the library, picking up a server. At the time when we did the demo, we didn't have a rack, so we put it on a share, but you can see the realistic view where we can rotate the platform. Then I'm going to run the cable back to the radio unit, and you see it automatically calculate the length of my cable. All of this will go into my bill of material, so I don't have to worry about any measurement. It's taken care by the application. Then I'm going to keep moving, and here I'm talking about technician deploying 5G. Here I can start guiding the technician. Here I'm going to take a fiber termination unit. And as I peel basically the equipment, I can eventually show the technician which connector to use, for the deployment of this network. As you can see, it's red. It has a realistic view, so I cannot place an equipment where there is already an equipment on the wall. And then I keep moving. Another example where I take a rack here, and where I start mounting a bench of server. And again, I have some business rule or operational rule that either allow me or prevent me to do things here. It prevent me to put, basically when it's ready, prevent me to put the equipment on a specific location. So here's some of the flavor that we can do on augmented reality. Definitely very promising. We're already working with the operator on testing this prototype. And the next demo is virtual reality. So augmented reality, this is more for brownfield, existing building. Virtual reality would be more for greenfield, new buildings. So you want to convince your tenant that they will have basically access to the fourth utility, and they will have an excellent coverage. Obviously the building is not yet been built. One way to show that is using virtual reality to the future owner of the building or the future owner of the residential unit. So you use basically Holocus, and then you get inside the building, and then here you can point at the antenna, and you can basically select the type of network you want to have access inside the building and see the type of coverage you are going to get inside the building in the future. So here I use 700 megahertz, but then I can show 28 gigahertz and make basically the comparison between those two. And it's all about obviously showing the tenant, the future tenant, that he will have proper coverage before even moving inside the building. So that's the end of this presentation.